How to make money with Telegram in 2025. Telegram is not just a messaging app, it's a money-making machine in 2025. In today's video, I'll show you real and practical ways to earn money with Telegram, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Stay until the end for a secret strategy that people rarely talk about. This is Noorbipol TV. Please subscribe for more side hustle videos. Let's dive in. 1. Build and monetize a Telegram channel. One of the easiest ways to make money is by starting a Telegram channel around a hot niche like crypto, finance, memes, relationships, fitness, or entertainment. Step by step, choose a niche people care about. Post daily valuable content, text, images, videos. Grow your subscribers using social media shoutouts, Reddit/Quora promotions, paid ads or collaborations. Monetization methods, sponsored posts from brands. Affiliate marketing, promote a product and earn per sale. Selling your own products or services. Important tip, add a CTA with a shortened link, like bit.ly or tap link, for better tracking and conversions. 2. Create paid subscription groups. Telegram now supports paid subscription groups perfect for premium content like trading signals, exclusive tips, coaching, or private communities. How it works: set up a private group. Charge members monthly, via Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or direct M-Pesa/PayPal. Automate access using bots like Invite Member or TypeBot. 3. Use Telegram bots to offer services. Telegram bots are powerful tools and you can make money by creating or reselling services via bots. Examples: a bot that sells ebooks automatically. A bot that gives horoscope readings or quiz results. A payment bot for digital courses. No coding. Hire developers on platforms like Fiverr to build simple bots for your channel. 4. Sell advertising space. Once your Telegram group or channel hits 1,000 plus active members, brands will start noticing. Ways to monetize: add a paid promo post once a day. Offer pinned post placement. Join Telegram ad marketplaces like Telega.io, AdGram, TGStat. 5. Use Telegram to drive traffic. Use Telegram as a traffic funnel to promote your YouTube, TikTok, or affiliate landing pages. Add a link to your Telegram group in every bio. Use viral Telegram posts to send traffic back to your monetized platforms. Share teasers with a CTA. Join Telegram for full version. Secret strategy: flipping Telegram channels. Here's a little known hustle: flipping Telegram channels. Grow a niche channel and sell it for $50, $1,000 plus depending on size and activity. How to do it: build a channel in a hot niche. Grow it to 5,000 plus followers. List it on marketplaces, like Swapped, Social Tradia, or direct DM deals. Profit. Finally, Telegram is more than a messaging app, it's a business tool. Whether you start a paid group, sell ads, or flip channels, there's a strategy for everyone. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below, which Telegram method are you going to try first? Let's make money in 2025.